Alright guys, what's up? We're here for the 7-box eBay break. Thanks for joining, guys. Should be a fun one. Got a lot of boxes here. Alright, let's go through what we got. We got 2015 Mini Chrome Hanger Pack. It's got 3 hobby packs in there. We got 2014 Turkey Red. A 2016 Mega Box. It's got a few hobby packs in there also. We have 2013 Contenders Hobby. Actually, we'll start with that one. I'll leave that here. We have 2015 PRIZM Rack Pack, 2016 PRIZM Pink, and 2017 DONRUSS Hobby. And of course, we have the Panini Instant Card. We're going to random off, so everyone have a shot at that. It's out of 398, so I'll leave that here. All right, let's get started with 2013 Contenders Hobby. All cards will ship. Box is empty. Alright, let's get started. Good luck, guys. Oh, we got a redemption right there. Redemptions are good. A lot of good players in redemptions from 2013. Alright, base. Oh, that was a playoff ticket, actually. Almost missed that. Alright, playoff ticket out of 99 for the Raiders. Jacoby Ford. Come on now. There we go. That's upside down. That's 6 out of 99. Nice little start for the Raiders. Base. Dummy card. Oh, think we got a nice hit right here. Travis Kelce, rookie ticket. Very nice start. That is the base. I think the base tickets have stars, right? Yeah. So that is the base ticket. Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. Very cool. Base. Dummy card. We have a Rookie of the Year card of Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. Dummy card. MVP contenders insert of Drew Brees for the Saints. Andre Ellington draft class rookie for the Cardinals. Dummy card. Alright, let's see what this redemption is. Good luck, guys. Tavon Austin, variation. Nice hit for the Rams. Rookie ticket variation on card. Should be an on card auto for the Rams. Nice start. Base. We have a legendary contenders Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. This will go to the Packers. We got Jonathan Franklin on top, Patton on the bottom. I'll go to the Packers insert. Base. Dummy card. We got 2 on-card autos. Nice one for the Cowboys. Terrence Williams on card. Usually you're supposed to get 1 per box, because the Tavon Austin is supposed to be on card. So we got 2. Nice box so far. That's the regular version. It's got the stars in the corners there. Star for the Cowboys. Got an insert for the Chargers, touchdown tandems. Base. Dummy card. Base. Touchdown tandems for the Ravens. Base. Dummy card. Another touchdown tandems is for the Dolphins. Got a Tom Brady base card. Dummy. Another hit here. Oh, we got a cracked ice. He's in a Texans uniform, but the card has a Browns logo, so this goes to the Browns. This is Dennis Johnson out of 21. Cracked ice. Picked up a nice box for this break. Out of 21. ISO card is for the Browns. Very cool. Base. Dummy card. We have an auto for the Bills. Quarterback Jeff Toole. That looks like, yeah, that's the base auto with the stars. For the Buffalo Bills. Base. Have a Rookie of the Year, Tavon Austin for the Rams. Insert. Base and dummy. Last stack, guys. Auto for the Broncos. Kayvon Webster. That's also the base ticket. Was that 5 hits so far? 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we already got 6 autos. I think 2015, they advertised 5 and almost every box had 6. Plus we had a parallel, right? I'm not counting the, yeah, 1, 2, yeah, 6 autos in a parallel already, so. Got a Zach Ertz, rookie for the Eagles. Not likely to hit another auto, but may have a crazy box. Dummy card. It's a great box. Cracked ice, Kelsey, 2 on cards. Another one going to the Eagles. Got Matt Barkley on top, Tyler Wilson on the bottom, Eagles on top, so that's going to them. Dummy card. And the rest looks like base. Yep. Alright, great box of contenders to start it off. Let's do the mega box. Box is empty. Got 2 hobby packs. And then our DONRUSS packs. Alright, base. All cards will ship, but we want to go through base quickly. Base, we have an insert for the Cowboys, production line Sean Lee. Rated rookie of Ricardo Lewis for the Browns. Dummy card. Base. We got a sheriff insert of Peyton Manning for the Colts. Rookie of Jaron Reed for the Seahawks. Dummy card. Base. I have a press proof. Red press proof rookie of Artie Burns for the Steelers. And then an Austin Hooper rated rookie for the Falcons. Dummy card. Legends of the Fall Thurman Thomas for the Bills. Insert. And a rookie of Glenn Gronkowski for the Bills as well. 2 dummy cards. Base. Got an insert. It's got Adrian Peterson on the Vikings on top, so this will go to the Vikings. Rookie of Kevin Dodd for the Titans. Whoop. Dummy card. Base. Got a Le'Veon Bell insert for the Steelers, Gridiron Kings. And then a Cody Kessler rated rookie for the Browns. Dummy card. Base. Got a Mike Singletary, some kind of insert for the Bears. Rookie of Carl Joseph for the Raiders. And 2 dummy cards. Alright, let's see if we get anything out of the hobby packs. Base. Got a green frame for the Redskins of Deshaun Jackson. Then for the Packers, rookie framed Quentin Rollins. I think Packers traded him this offseason, but he was a starter for the Packers. Then a Jerry Rice for the 49ers, all-time Stat Kings framed. Let's go from the other side. Dummy card. Got a Delaney Walker, red framed for the Titans. I guess they're all flipped. Okay, we got an aficionado Nile Davis for the Chiefs. Max Williams for the Ravens. Framed rookie. Dummy card. Base here. And a blue framed for the Patriots, LeGarrette Blount. First time I've seen a blue frame. Looks kind of nice. All right. Let's do our 2015 PRIZM rack pack. The red, white, and blue pack. Base. This is a silver PRIZM rookie for the Bills. Silver PRIZM, Desmond Lewis for Buffalo. We got Chris Conley base rookie for the Chiefs. Dummy card. Walter Payton base. Rod Woodson base. Rookie of Andrew White for the 49ers. Base rookie. Dummy card. Base. Oh, nice one for the Buccaneers. Rookie die cut. Rookie of Jameis Winston. Rookie Revolution. And then we have a Jared Hayne rookie. He's the rugby player from Australia for the 49ers. And a dummy card. Red, white, and blues. We have Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Mario Williams for the Bills. #1 overall pick. And Andrew White rookie for the 49ers. Alright, let's try this mini chrome hanger pack. Box is empty. Should have 3 packs, yep. And we get a bonus red, white, and blue PRIZM pack. Alright, let's do the red, white, and blues first, I guess. Dummy card. For the Redskins, we have Santana Moss. For the Cardinals, Carson Palmer. These are from 2014 PRIZM. And the 49ers, we have Jerry Rice. Alright, hopefully we get something out of here. Let's see. We got Steve Smith for the Ravens base for the Seahawks. This is looks like a refractor rookie. For the 49ers, Mike Davis, refractor rookie. I think the last year Top stopped writing refractor on the back. So you just gotta go off the shininess. We have a rookie of Tony Lippett for the Dolphins. Base for the Broncos, Colts. We got a die cut of Peyton Manning for the Colts. Super Bowl 50 insert. We have Jamison Crowder rookie for the Redskins base. Chiefs base. Saints. We got a Sepia Refractor rookie. David Cobb for the Titans. The Sepias are numbered in regular chrome, but I guess not in mini chrome. Then we got an Eric Kendricks base rookie for the Vikings. He just got a contract extension, I think. Alright, let's do 2014 Turkey Red. Box is empty. Alright, we have Martavis Bryant for the Steelers. I think he's a free agent. Not sure where he's going to end up if he already got signed or not. He's a good player. We got Marquise Lee, rookie for the Jaguars. Coney Ely for the Panthers. We got Blake Bortles, regular and mini for the Jaguars. So there's the regular, and here is the mini. And our autograph is for the Patriots, Dominique Easley. Patriots auto. We got a Brandon Cooks rookie for the Saints. He's moving to a new team this season too. We got a HaHa Clinton Dix rookie for the Packers. Khalil Mack. It's a good pack of Turkey Red. Got a Khalil Mack rookie for the Raiders. A Teddy Bridgewater rookie for the Vikings. And finally a Ryan Grant rookie for the Redskins. Alright, let's do 2016 PRIZM pink version, pink edition. Box is empty. Should have 5 packs. Yep. Okay. Nice start. Got a Derrick Henry rookie jersey for the Titans. Nice one. I think he's gonna kill it next year. Derrick Henry. Dummy card 1 and 2. Base for the Chargers, Jets, Prism rookie of Vernon Butler for the Panthers. Oh, got a points card there. Let me flip that. So Vernon Butler, Prism rookie. Then a dummy card. And then we did get a points card instead of an auto. But 250 is better than 150. So this will be added to the random at the end with the instant card. Then we have base for the Jaguars, Rams, draft gems prism insert of Sherman for the Seahawks. Got a pink prism rookie, David Morgan for the Vikings. Dummy card. Base for the Jets, 49ers. Got a Keanu Neal, prism rookie for the Falcons. Pink prism of Virgil Green for the Broncos. Dummy card. Texans base, Bills rookie prism Dwayne Washington for the Lions. Pink prism Darius Hayward-Bay for the Steelers. Dummy card. Base for the Ravens, Bears, and a Laquan Treadwell prism rookie for the Vikings. Alright, and finally, let's do 2017 Donruss Hobby. I've heard that Donruss Hobby was pretty loaded. Box is empty. Alright, good luck, guys. Dummy card. Base. Some shiny cards here. For the Falcons, we have the Elite Series insert of Matt Ryan. It's not numbered. Just looks so shiny you'd think it'd be numbered. It's just a nice insert. Alright, we have an insert for the Vikings, Daniel Hunter. Rated rookie, Zay Jones for the Bills. Rookie, Malik McDowell for the Seahawks. Base. Base. Team Heroes, Eli Manning for the Giants. Insert. Throwback of Cam Newton, Panthers. Deshaun Kaiser for the Browns, rated rookie. Rookie of Jordan Willis for the Bengals. Dummy card. Base. Some gold coming up. Peppers is Panthers, by the way. Good one's 49ers. Gold press proof. Greg Olsen for the Panthers, numbered out of 50. For the Panthers, we have insert Gridiron Kings, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Davis Webb, rated rookie for the Giants. Rookie Stacy Coley for the Vikings. Base. Another of those shiny silver inserts. This one's a rookie. Taywan Taylor for the Titans. And insert for the Steelers. We have an O.J. Howard, rated rookie for the Bucks. Rookie DeMarcus Walker for the Broncos. Dummy card. Base. Oh, nice hit. For the Bengals, Tyler Boyd. Signature marks. It's out of 25. It's always hard to focus on these silver numbers. There we go. Out of 25. Tyler Boyd auto. We have a Dominator. Matt Stafford for the Lions. It's not numbered either. Dominators always look nice though. Matt Stafford for the Lions. We have an insert Legends of the Fall, Ray Lewis for the Ravens. Carlos Henderson, rated rookie for the Broncos. And Elijah Hood, rookie for the Raiders. Dummy card. Base. Got a numbered rated rookie coming up. And it is Carlos Henderson. Looks sharp, purple. Stat line. It has a stat line across the middle. It's at 82. It's weird to say stat line, but have no stats, and it's a rookie who hadn't played yet. Oh, I guess it's college stats. It's got little stats on there. His receptions. Okay. Nice looking card for the Broncos. Insert P. Ryan rookie for the Redskins. There he is, Mr. Kamara, the rookie of the year. For the Saints, rated rookie. Then a rookie for the Ravens, Marlon Humphrey. Base. Another shiny insert. This one's for the Cowboys, Troy Aikman. The Legends series. And an insert for the Broncos up-tempo. Got a Dalvin Cook rated rookie for the Vikings. A TJ Watt rookie for the Steelers. Dummy card. Base. Nice one for the 49ers. The rookies insert. The inserts look really nice this year. It's not numbered. 49ers. Top targets, Dennis Pitta for the Ravens insert. Got a D.D. Westbrook rated rookie for the Jaguars. Solomon Thomas, number 2 pick in the draft, rookie for the 49ers. Dwayne Allen, that's Patriots, by the way. Base. Dummy card. Then, this one's numbered. We have a Gridiron Kings for the Saints. It's got a studio logo, and that's numbered out of 100. And then it's got like a studio logo there. For the Saints there. We have a Gridiron Kings insert of Jordan Howard for the Bears. We got a Kareem Hunt rated rookie. For the Chiefs. And a Quincy Wilson rookie for the Colts. Let me grab some more penny sleeves. Base. Dummy card. We have a numbered card here for the 49ers, press proof, numbered out of 100, the 49ers, Carlos Hyde. Insert for the Packers of Brett Favre. Got a Joshua Dobbs, rated rookie for the Steelers. And a Jake Butt, rookie for the Broncos. Base. Oh. Wow. Tom Landry, relic. That's crazy. Canton Kings. Numbered out of 99. Never seen that before. Out of 99. This is like his jacket or something. It says Coach worn material. Not sure. I guess it's some kind of jacket or shirt or something. Wow, that's cool. Don't see that often, a Tom Landry hit. Alright, then we have a Ground Force. Cool looking retro. LaDainian Tomlinson for the Chargers. We have a Salute to Service. Insert for the Chiefs, Derek Johnson. And a Juju, rated rookie for the Steelers. And rookie of Jabril Peppers for the Browns. Base. And a Dominator of Jameis Winston for the Bucks. Insert of Terrell Davis for the Broncos. Chris Godwin, rated rookie for the Bucks, and a Tariq Cohen rookie for the Bears. Had a nice rookie year. Oh, that's a numbered card. Got a purple number card out of 77 for the Redskins. Stat line. Insert of Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Malachi Dupree, rated rookie for the Packers. Jamal Adams, rookie for the Jets. Base. Got an Elite Series rookie, Curtis Samuel for the Panthers. And we've got another Salute to Service. This one's for the Broncos. DeMarcus Ware. Got a Noah Brown, rated rookie for the Cowboys. Buda Baker, rookie for the Cardinals. Dummy card. Base. Another Dominator. Odell. Giants. And a throwback of Andrew Luck for the Colts. I like the look of these throwbacks. Then a Joku, rated rookie for the Browns. Rookie of Reddick for the Cardinals. Base. Dummy card. We got a die cut here for the Jets. Press proof. That's out of 75. Cool looking die cut. There we go. Bilal Powell for the Jets. Insert of Dorsett for the Cowboys. Pumphrey, rated rookie for the Eagles. Wormley, rookie for the Ravens. Dummy card. Base. That's Redskins base there. Another Elite Series. This is Mariota for the Titans. That's like a cool throwback card here. AFC player, Offensive Player of the Month, Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Got a Joe Williams rated rookie for the 49ers. And rookie of Jonathan Allen for the Redskins. Base. The rookies. Jaguars, D.D. Westbrook. Here the guy's supposed to be pretty fast. He's injured most of last year. Alright, we got top targets, Golden Tate. Written in gold just for him. We got a rated rookie, Ardarius Stewart for the Jets. Reuben Foster, rookie for the 49ers. Dummy card. Alright, last stack here. Base. Gronk, numbered card for the Patriots. Out of 400 purple. Terry Bradshaw insert for the Steelers. Jeremy McNichols, rated rookie, Buccaneers. Rookie of Kevin King for the Packers. Base. Nice one here for the Saints. Kamara, the Elite Series. Rookie of the Year. Got another of these highlight cards. Kirk Cousins for the Redskins. Got a John Ross, rated rookie for the Bengals. And a Dwayne Smoot, rookie for the Jaguars. Dummy card. Base. One more of the rookies. For the Giants, Davis Webb. I think they used to number all these cards out of 9.99. So I guess this year they just didn't number them at all, which is fine because the 9.99 isn't so large anyway. We got a Phil Rivers throwback for the Chargers, a Wayne Gallman rated rookie, Robert Davis rookie for the Redskins, base. It's Bills base. Dummy card. That's Panthers base there. Insert for the Chargers. Got a Shelton Gibson rated rookie for the Eagles. Charlton rookie for the Cowboys. Dummy. Base. The Elite Series J.J. Watt for the Texans. Haven't got a Watson rookie yet. Oh, there's Mahomes. Got an insert for the Saints. Mahomes rated rookie for the Chiefs. Rookie of Bucky Hodges for the Vikings. Base. Base. Heroes, Team Heroes, Ray Lewis for the Ravens. Legends of the Fall, Franco Harris. We got a James Conner rated rookie for the Steelers. Aaron Jones rookie for the Packers. Base. And base. Nice box of Donruss. Alright, so we have 2 randoms to do, but let's do a recap. Actually, the video is almost to an hour on the backup camera. Let me pause it, we'll make it into a separate video. Be back in 1 second.